Hello and welcome back. And in this video, we are going to be creating this another custom text control. And this time, we're going to see how we can create a modifier and then use that modifier to basically modify the properties of our text field. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I have this file created. We're going to create this clearable text field that's going to have a cross right in the text field, and when the user actually clicks on that cross button, it'll clear the text field itself. Okay, so let's go ahead and create a struct first, and I'm going to call this one text field clear. Okay, and this is going to be a view modifier. All right, and we're going to once again use binding binding variable text of type string, and then we're going to create so this is actually the property that we have to override or create, public func body. Okay, and we have to provide our content. So content we can simply replace by you can simply replace it by content, and we don't have to return this. We can return generic sum view like that. Okay, and with that we are ready. So here it's just a normal UI business as usual. So basically a Z stack with trailing alignment. Now what's happening is that we want to show our button at the end, so that's why we are applying the Z stack, and we are gonna trail a line so our button actually shows up at the right hand side of the text field. Okay, and then we simply say show the content. So content basically is our text field that's going to be supplied. That's going to be on the Z stack, so it's going to sit at the bottom layer, and on the top of that we're going to show our button. Excuse me. So we're going to simply say if not text dot is empty. So if text is not empty, show a button, right, with an action, and the action is going to be self dot text is equal to empty. So empty out the text within that, when user clicks on the button, and show an image, and this image is going to be of system name multiply dot circle dot fill. Okay, that's what we're going to use with foreground color to be secondary, so it shows up as a gray color. Secondary. There you go. All right, and then we're going to add some padding in horizontal direction of 10 points. Okay, with that we should have our this error should be gone. Oh, okay, what's that? Static method requires text field to conform to the view. Okay, so it does return some view, public func body content. Of course, this is the content, not the content type. Okay, that should actually do it. There we go. Okay, so let's create an extension. So we can create an extension of text field, and then we're going to create a function clearable. Okay, so this text is clearable. This text field is clearable with binding as string that returns some view like that, and then we're going to simply call self.modifier. Okay, and we're going to call our modifier that we have created, this one right here, text field clear, and we're going to supply our text right there. Okay, So you're going to supply this reference into that. Okay, that same binding property. All right, with that, we are ready to use it. So we're going to simply say text field. Okay, enter your search here. This is our placeholder, and we need a static variable to bind. So we're simply going to say state of, not static, state variable, text string empty, and then we're simply going to say text like so, and now we're going to say clearable. Okay, text is going to be $text, basically binding that, and text field style is going to be rounded border text field style with some padding, like so. Okay, let's go ahead and compile and build and see what we have missing. We are missing text, like that. Let's see. Okay, so all good. Resume. What we should see is our text field. If I run this, you're going to notice that we have this text field, and then as we start typing, we're going to see this cross button right here. And if you click on it, boom, everything goes away. And then you have it again, and then you just can have, like, these kind of custom UIs and custom components that you can build out simply using and combining some of the simple things that you've learned in SwiftUI. All right, so that was the example of creating a view modifier yourself so you can extend more properties of standard control and create yourself a modifier. So this actually gives you an inside view of how the view modifiers are actually created in SwiftUI itself. All right, so hope you guys liked this video. Thanks again for watching.